What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. If you haven't done so already, before we even get into this one, go watch my video how to make a windbreaker jacket. Now, I got the jacket. I'm super excited. I should have opened it already, but I was waiting to show you guys. So let's do this unbagging. Alright, so the jacket came via DHL shipping all the way from China. Took about 2 days, so shipping was pretty fast. No problems whatsoever. The majority of the time when I get garments made in China, they always come via DHL. Never had an issue as far as, you know, somebody stealing my packages or packages coming in damaged or whatnot. So DHL was pretty decent with their shipping. So let's get into it. So put this thing up. For those that don't know, this is the DCYOP Fusion jacket that I designed not too long ago. This is the sample that came in. So garments always come in clear plastic. Packaging is always nice. I can already tell I'm gonna like this thing. Let's open it up. The feel of the jacket is just phenomenal. Polyester just feels great. Nice weight to it. Everything is as I wanted it. DCYOP on the left chest. Established in 2006 on the left sleeve in white. Huge DCYOP on the right sleeve in white. Got the path chosen in the back going across the shoulders. On top of that light purple color. Huge 2006 going down the hood. Zipper quality is beautiful. YKK zipper. Got my DCYOP garment label on the inside, all screen printed. This thing is nice. Look at that. Inside, nice, no netting. Told them I didn't want no netting inside, I wanted everything solid. Pull cords on the hood, nice. Metal aglets, metal ring aglets on the hood. Let's go ahead and try it on. So tight in the arm area. Adjust that. Yeah, a little tight fitting, but we'll fix that. And get them all made up in both. This thing is nice though. Hood. Go right over your hat if you got a hat on. Pocket. Pockets feel real comfortable inside. Oh, yeah. Nice. Yeah, so like I said, the first go around, it's a little tight in the arm area, but that'll get all worked out. This is just a sample. So what happens is you get your sample in, you make sure everything is to your specifications before you get them made in bulk. So the sample was $80, shipping was $40. So that's well worth the price of getting a sample made. It's better to pay that sample price first before you actually, make a bulk order, just so you will know what you're getting and everything is to your specifications. Because once you get them, if something's off, or some sewing is off, or your print is off, or you don't like the way it feels or it fits, you can always iron that out and get it fixed before you actually start purchasing these things in bulk. So once again, the screen printing, everything was beautiful, no complaints there. The wristbands came out pretty good. Nice thick waistband, nice thick, comfortable. Right chest pocket. About 4 inches deep. Nice. You can't beat this quality. What people gotta understand is these manufacturers overseas are the same manufacturers that make the garments for these top brands. The Nikes, the Nautikas, the Tommy Hilfigers, everything. All that stuff you guys see in these big chains, in these stores, they're getting these pieces made overseas, and you can do it too. All you have to do is research, find a good manufacturer. Once you find one that you like, you stick with them. You guys build a relationship, and take it from there. You can also use multiple manufacturers as well. Don't be scared. It just takes some research, and you got to go out on a limb sometimes. If you want to get things done, you got to take chances in life. $80 to get this made and $40 to get it shipped. To me, that's worth the risk. I don't know about you guys, but I keep doing that over and over again to get something made. It's something that I'm passionate about, my brand. I can't sew. I don't know if you guys can sew. I know there's some designers out there that do know how to sew, but I don't. So I like going this route. I'll spend my money to get a sample made, and once that sample looks good and I sign off on it, I'm definitely going to be making a bulk order. So let's do a 360. In the comments, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you don't like it as well. I love constructive criticism. So once again, go check out my video how to make a windbreaker, so you can see this jacket from start to now finished. And shortly but surely, we're gonna get these things made in a bulk order. The hood is nice. I like the way, the big 2006 goes all the way down to the back of the hood. I like the way that DCL feeds on the sleeve. haven't done so, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, choose your own path.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basic. Stay alert. And remember, choose your own path.